Hi sugars, good morning. How was your night? Did you sleep well? And happy Sunday to everyone. Happy Easter. Hope you guys are going to church today. So today, Sunday, being Easter Sunday, I'll be going to church, and I want to first of all make pancakes before leaving. Clear my kitchen space, is a little bit dirty. And after church, I'll be going for a hangout that I and my friends we organized today, being Easter. We just want to hang around, eat, play games, like just have fun today. So the hangout will be starting around 4 or 5. So yeah, I still have a lot of time though. So when I get back from church, I am gonna prepare and we'll go up. I might take you guys along the whole hangout stuff. I don't know. We'll see about that. Just ignore the hair. I've been carrying this hair for like 2 months now, and laziness to lose it, laziness to take it off. Like it's just the problem. It's just the problem for me. I'm gonna be putting on wig, so I'll just apply gel at the front and make it look okay. Yeah, nobody will know. How would they know what is underneath the wig? We girls, we wear wigs on our hair, but you guys don't know what's underneath that wig we are putting on our hair. You guys don't know how long we've carried that braid on our hair. So just ignore whatever you are seeing right now. I know it's messy, like really, really messy. I know that. So let me start making pancakes, and I'll talk to you guys later. I don't even have time anymore. I'm already running a little bit late for church. I am dressed. I like my outfit, guys. I like my outfit. I'm wearing pink dress, and I am carrying this pink handbag, and I am wearing a pink should I call it sneakers? And the makeup was done by me, the hair by me. I look so pretty. I have had this bag for a very, very long time, and I recently bought this dress from Nigeria. The bangles are from Shane, my watch Oraimo, my necklace from Shane. The hair is giving, makeup is giving, the dress is giving. Do I look pretty? Do I look pretty? So I'm already running late. This is currently 4:48 and it was supposed to be by 4. So I'm about to order my taxi now, and I don't know if I'm going to vlog, but let's see how it goes. And yeah. I just got here and I called them to come pick me downstairs. Actually, the place is not that far from my house. It's a little bit close, and yeah, so someone is coming to pick me. The environment is so nice. I like the buildings, and yeah, so it's gonna be a fun day today. So I'm waiting for the person to come and pick me up, and I'm standing in front of the apartment complex. I don't know what they call it. So I am waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I really look pretty today. I'm telling you, I really, really look pretty.
Who follow me? When I follow you. Everyone has a card, right? Everyone has their card. Message, I give you card. Everybody has. And then, so now please, everybody should move closer. If there's a way we can drop.
Who is starting first?
Oh! I love you like that. What the fuck, man?
Every time she was passing, she was calculating.
Plus, it's 2.5 years of this year together now.
Yeah, but you're not going to ask for
Are you
the
not dishing for everybody?
Only like two.
Okay. I think that was
Messi! Say hi to the camera.
Hello, I'm Henry.
Oh yeah! Bernard!
That's crazy. You're attacking me, right?
I'm Bernard. Hi sugars, it's the next day and I am just waking up. This is 3:09 in the evening. I didn't come back home last night. I had to sleep in a friend's place because I was so high on vodka. I was so high on wine. I couldn't eat because of the drink. I drank too much and I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun, guys. I had a lot of fun. I danced, I ate. It was a really, really fun evening. It was a really, really fun evening. I won't lie to you, to be honest. I won't lie. So I'm about to head to the grocery store to get food stuff. Not too much, just few. Groceries, so I am going home. The way things are getting expensive, I don't really understand. Things are really getting expensive. Egg is really, really expensive. On my way home, I'm done. How many hours did I spend? This is almost 5. Bought egg for 22 zloty. It's insane. It's really expensive. Let me go home. This is currently 5:05 p.m. and I've not eaten since morning. I'm very hungry and I'm having severe cramps, guys. I'm having severe cramps. Whenever my period comes, it comes with severe cramps and waist pain here, sometimes my back, and sometimes I cry, like cry. I roll on the floor. The pain can be so serious sometimes. The pain can be so serious. So I always have painkillers with me whenever I'm having that kind of serious cramps. Some people will say if you are feeling pain during period, do not take painkillers. Do you want us to die? Do you want us to die? And whenever I'm feeling that kind of serious pain, it's hard for me to breathe properly. I won't be able to move properly. I can't move well. I can't walk well because the whole of this side is kind of paralyzed. How should I put the English? So I got croissants. I got 4 croissants and I got Sprite. I am gonna snack on this before I start cooking, and I don't know when I'll finish cooking. So yeah, I'm so tired. I am so tired. I am feeling a little bit weak at the same time. So let me eat this and relax, and I will talk to you guys later.
Company right here would have gone down years ago if it wasn't from me. You were like number 74. But I really don't give a shit. So if you want to talk real talk, let's talk real talk.